Good afternoon, everybody, friends. Thank you, SCL, for inviting me on the great dais and the great city. I'm going to speak about the Masters of Supply Chain Management. I'm going to show you how these people are working excellently in Mumbai. But I know that SCL has made some connection or connect. So let me connect myself with SCL. And really, for the first time, friends, SCL or some company could able to do it, some connection. So let me change my cap and I want to connect to SCL. I want that you also should wear, and how we wear the cap. This is a style of wearing cap. So हमारे बाल खराब ना हो. Our hairstyle will not disturb. Normally we say that the people, they don't use technology. But I don't feel like this because somebody told some time back that methodology is very important, and that itself can be the technology. They started this business in 1890, 120 years back. As far as business is concerned, many people are confusing about dabawalas. What is dabawala? I just brought tiffin to show you. This is a tiffin. Tiffin is of customer, and the food content is this. Is also cooked at home. We don't cook food. These are the two tiffins. Inside you will have this food container you will put inside at home, and this container dabbawala will collect morning from your home and deliver in your office before lunchtime. After lunch is over, this tiffin will be returned in the evening, empty tiffin at your home. It means dabbawala will have two deliveries. Home to workplace, workplace to home. That's it. Now the question is that why customers themselves cannot carry their own tiffin from home to workplace or workplace to home? Mainly two reasons. Number one, sir, in Mumbai we have long railway lines. So when 3 railway lines, 70 kilometers, and 70 kilometers if you want to travel, and if you're supposed to reach office 9 o'clock, you require to start morning 6 o'clock from your home. If you start morning 6 o'clock, you don't want your wife should cook morning 5 o'clock. You want she should cook 8 o'clock, but you start morning 6 o'clock. Then, if she cook 8 o'clock, who will come to collect your tiffin? Dabbawala will come 9 o'clock, he will come your tiffin, collect your tiffin, and he will deliver in office. That's one reason. Number two, even you start morning 8 o'clock from your home, you cannot carry your tiffin. The reason, crowded local trains of Mumbai. It's very difficult for Mumbai people to board in local train with empty hand. Taking tiffin is out of question. You can't carry. So you require dabbawala to carry tiffin. Friend, this is the system started in 1890. In 1891, Parsian was working in British Bank. He asked one fellow, Madhu Auji Bache, Mr. Bache, can you bring my tiffin? He started to bring. Friend, these all 5,000 people are, of course, almost all, not everybody. 6 or other communities are there. They are from Marathas. And he was bringing Maharashtra. There is one community called Warkari Sampradaya. They are the devotees of God Vithala. And when they go to Pandharpur, they take this chain in their neck. हम इसको हिंदी में तुलसी माला we call. If the dabbawalas or if the malakari, they call malakari, this chain, it means the man who is having this chain, he will never drink, he will never smoke, he will never eat non-veg, because respect toward the God. Friend, the same respect they bring into their business, that I want to share with you. They believe my customer is my God, because the ultimate connection everybody want to do with the customer only. Friends, when we work, lots of coordination there. Leadership will show excellent leadership. Work is worship. This is the principle which every individual accept, and every individual work under that same principle. Despite these people are not literate, 8th grade schooling average. Friend, they are illiterate in education, but 100% literate in work. In qualification or in corporate world, don't take it otherwise, ulta hota hai. We are quite highly qualified, but non-qualified in working, because we require a lot of training. Then we can able to work. Sir, one dabbawala carrying approximately 40 tiffins. 5,000 dabbawala, 200,000 tiffin. It means 40 tiffins they have to carry. The 40 tiffin luggage, weight, 65 to 70 kg weight. Can you imagine? That much weight they are carrying in crowded local train and 120 kilometer running. Imagine, friends. In 120 years, it never happened. Your lunch time started and Dabala not yet came. Impossible, impossible. He will never tell you, so sorry, trains are late today. Why? He believes trains are running every day late. So I cannot come late. Number two, can I change train system? I can't change my train system. So better change my system. That's it. Sir, last 1 month back, train problems were there. So train were running half hour late. I asked Dabawala, man, yesterday half an hour train was late. Sir, I agree. 8:30 train came at 9 o'clock. But 8 o'clock train must have come 8:30. So where trains are late? Trains are in time. We are late. I told, great, yeah. That's a working attitude, friends. That's how they feel wartime. Friend, this is happening because their structure is very strong. The people do not know the meaning of structure. But last 100 years, their structure is very strong. They say this is our stature. I told, man, it's not stature, it's a structure. And then he connect. What he connect? Sir, his stature is strong, patient goes to bed. If structure is strong, tiffin goes to customer. That much I know, that's it. Our main role played by this Mukadam. Mukadam is group leader. Sir, in our business, in this Dabawala's business, among 10, 20 Dabawalas, one Dabawala becomes the group leader. And that group leader will control the all activities of that group. He will take care how my every individual group member working properly or not. If any problem of group member, he will solve because he feels that I am a group leader. Sir, he will not get single rupee extra income, but he will work at least 10 minutes more than other people. Why? He feels I am a leader, so I should take care. And what is the qualification to become group leader? There is no qualification. So, the man in the group who is highest by age will become the group leader. That's it. The working system is excellent, and because of excellency, people say their error rate 1 in 16 million transactions. Dabawala don't accept this because they believe we don't have single error. How this error comes? Morning 9 o'clock, Dabawala came. Indian wives, dile ke manta nahi. Even she has bitten. She want to deliver for husband a food. She delivered. In lunch time, Dabawala delivered tiffin in office. In lunch time, morning angry young man saw the tiffin. And you know, friend, morning angry young man now become the hungry young man. So he opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on the top of the tiffin, written message from wife. Oh, my beloved husband, I love you, Lord. Forget what happened in the morning. Eat my food. It is delicious for you. The message given by wife to husband, but delivered by Dabawala. They do this service for you free of charge. Now, after eating food, husband brought 2 cinema tickets, put in empty tiffin, written message to wife, I also love you, Lord. We'll forget what happened. I want to tell you, friends, unknowingly, many customer services, we give in such a manner, customer believe we are a God for him. Same thing with the services. But I feel it requires your attitude and approach, friends. And number 2, discipline you require. Sir, if one Dabawala remain absent, all tiffin will get disturbed. So you must inform. One person asked me, if suppose suddenly they will sick, then what Dabawala will answer you? If suddenly sick, suddenly inform, no problem. That's it. Sir, midnight, 2 o'clock, Dabawala wife informed group leader, sir, my husband is sick, he will not come. That's it. System is delivered 100% accuracy because of coding system. What is the coding system? This coding system they do on the top of the tiffin. What is this? VLP stand for Customers Residential Area called Vile Parle. E stand for Dabbawala, who will come to your home to collect tiffin. And your tiffin from Vile Parle will travel to your working area. Here, this is working area, Nariman Point. It means Dabbawala will come Vile Parle and this tiffin will travel from Vile Parle to Nariman Point. While this tiffin will travel from Vile Parle to Nariman Point, at least 6 times it will mix with different people, different group, but will reach Nariman Point. When this will reach Nariman Point, who will pick the tiffin? Mr. 9 Dabawala. He will pick the tiffin. He will deliver EX for Express Tower at 12th floor. At your floor, tiffin came. That's it. Without name, without address, he knows your tiffin. If you say name, Mr. D'Souza written by D'Souza himself. Why? He could not recognize his own tiffin, so he write name. Dabawala knows your tiffin, you may not be knowing. Imagine, friends. That's a customer connection with the service. Let me tell you, coordination, involvement. When This tiffin is washed at home. The baller's coding sometimes not visible because you wash again and again. If any coding is not visible, if any baller comes to know coding is not visible, he will remove color from the pocket and with finger he will overwrite. He will not say it is not my job. He will do the job. That's the coordination among all. Can you imagine, friends? Why? Every individual feel I must work. I asked one baller, why you do this work? What he answered? Sir, 9 hours. I am doing within 9 hours, not extra time. So I should do it. That's it. CM inaugurated one book. What that time Chief Minister, sir, when he invited, Chief Minister told in his speech, Mr. Agarwal, in every program I reach 1 hour late. But today when I came to know it's a double program, I came 5 minutes before the program. Why? Why? He told, I was afraid of if I am coming 2 minutes late, all double could have gone. They will not wait for me. So time commitment. That's why Mumbai people say our watch can go wrong, but not the Mumbai ballers. They are so perfect in time. Nowadays, sir, I am giving education for the ballers and their children, but they were not willing to take education. To convince them, I made one wooden local train. I put in your wooden dabba computer, and I told them, man, this is a local train. Now you should come. Oh, sir, this is a local train. Now you will come to learn. No problem. Imagine. It means I should connect with their services. Now the computer lab we are having, even we have classrooms, a big classroom of local train. They sit inside and they learn little bit English. And really friends, it's my privilege and proud. My 30 minutes over. Thank you so much for inviting me on the